In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover lost or deleted files in Figma. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, we've all been there. The gut-wrenching moment when you realize an important file is missing or mistakenly deleted. Fear not, because today I'm going to guide you through a straightforward process to help you retrieve those precious design files. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening Figma in Google Chrome. Once there, go ahead and log in with your credentials. This will take you to your personalized dashboard where you manage all your design projects. Next, direct your attention up to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu. From here, you'll want to select either drafts or deleted files. Both of these options are places where Figma conveniently stores your work, both active and those you've put in the trash. Now, if you're trying to recover something you've inadvertently deleted, you should zero in on the deleted files section. Think of it like a safety net. By clicking on it, you access the trash folder. Here, you'll find a list of files that have been removed but not permanently gone. Browse through the files displayed here and see if the one you need is among them. Once you've spotted the file you're looking for, it's a breeze to bring it back to the land of the living. Simply select the file and click the Restore button. This will move it out of the trash and back into your drafts or the original project folder, safe and sound, ready for you to continue your designing work. However, if your search through the trash doesn't yield any results, all hope is not lost. Figma offers another fantastic feature called version history, which can be a lifesaver. To take advantage of this, you'll need to open any active file. Once open, focus your attention toward the top menu. There, you'll find the option Show Version History. Click on it, and you'll access a timeline of all changes made to the document. This feature allows you to see past versions of your project, offering you another opportunity to retrieve earlier iterations that might have contained the information or layout you need. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to recovering those misplaced or accidentally deleted design files in Figma. By utilizing the trash folder and the version history feature, you have multiple layers of security to ensure your hard work is never truly lost. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing.